guys, welcome to my channel. So recently I purchased so many Indian outfits from Ajio. Quality and everything was so good, so I thought let's make one haul video. Now also 70% discount going on. Before starting the video, I want to tell you, if you are purchasing first time from Ajio, you can blindly trust them. Exactly. Whatever they will mention in the picture and description, they will give you exactly the same products, and in this pandemic also they will deliver the product within 3 days. So I'm so happy with the purchase of Ajio. And now let's get into the haul video. You will also definitely love the products. Now this one, my favorite one, this is Ikat printed straight kurta. This is 100% cotton. You can wear it for everyday basis like office wear, college wear के लिए. It will bring perfect shape look, and this is 100% cotton and it has full button, but only you can open front 2 button. It has band collar, and this one only price for 250. Can you imagine? And this is very good, very attractive one. This one round neck A-line kurta, brand call from Avasa. Only for rupees 420. This is pure cotton, black color with red thread work, embroidery work. It is not printed one, it is embroidery work. Front button, anarkali pattern. It has nice plate, medium length sleeves. Round neck, front button. I clicked lots of picture with this kurta and it is really looking good. You can definitely try on this. This is so amazing, so attractive. Next one, Avasa mix and match geometrical print A-line kurta. It is not thread work, it is the print work, geometrical print kurta. It's same like the previous one. I love this pattern of kurta. It has round neck, front button, anarkali pattern. Price and size, everything in the description box. You can check over there. If you're skinny like me, it will look good on you because it is anarkali pattern. You will not look that skinny. Yeah, and if you are following me, I wore this kurta on my video also. It was looking good. Daily use ke liye bhi perfect hai. 100% cotton, definitely you can give it a try. Now this one, straight cut kurta. This is also 100% cotton one. This has thread work. Because of that only I took this. I love embroidery work kurta. This one so comfortable. कभी भी आप इसको वेयर कर सकते हो. कोई छोटा मोटा ऑकेशन, कुछ पूजा, घर में कोई रिलेटिव्स आया तो. Now this one I took only for summer season. This is white color on that red small flower print. This is perfect for summer. Next purchase for my mom. Yes, this is light lemon yellow color straight cut kurta, 100% cotton. It has 2 inserts pockets and it has roller up sleeves. Material quality also so good. It has front cut design and it is not at all see through. If you want to give something for your mom, you can go ahead because they can wear it for regular basics. This one so good, so comfortable and so good looking. Now next one, this one blue color printed A-line kurta, 3/4 sleeves. It has 1 pocket. Actually me and my mom both are very fond of pocket wala kurta. But quality also so good, not at all see-through. Length wise perfect, just perfect one for regular basics. Yes, just perfect. Now this one my mom like most. This is Ikat printed pink color kurta. It has front button. And it has one side tie. Yes, it has sleeves also. If you want, you can stitch it. Because of this one side tie, it will give you perfect shape. Actually tummy height ho jata hai. You can buy for you can gift someone. This is so nice. This one is really very pretty dress. Now the last one, this is floral printed A-line kurta, rayon material, brand from Avasa. This is anarkali pattern. Actually you can wear it in home also as a dress. It's only for rupees 320. And you will get discount coupon also. So offer price plus discount coupons. It is a win-win situations, and this is not sponsored. I just want to help you people, so I am telling this. Hope you like this video. That's all for today. Now I am requesting you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section down which look you like most. And I am Sana signing off for today. Lots of love. Stay safe, stay in home, stay glamorous. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye bye. See you soon guys. Thank you so much.